Amazon Associates is 100% one of the easiest ways to start earning revenue on YouTube if you're not partnered. Once you do sign up for Amazon Associates, you will need to start to sort of think and brainstorm about the products that you want to promote to your current audience. This can be a little bit tricky though, because you don't want to be promoting products that don't really relate to your target audience and the content that you're creating. So you will definitely need to consider who your target audience are, what videos they're watching of yours, and how you can fit in a type of product to sell to them. But how are we going to incorporate these products into our videos? Easiest way to do this is going to be reviewing products. This is where you go ahead and make a single video about a single product, and then you go ahead and discuss what's good about it, what's bad about it, your personal opinions on the product, and if you would buy it or not. For example, I have made a couple of videos reviewing products. I have recently done one for a webcam, a Logitech webcam, as well as some microphones. Similar to reviews, you could do a listicle style video. This is where you make a top 5 or top 10 style video and list a particular product type from either best to worst, cheapest to most expensive, or best features to worst features. The list goes on. For example, I've made many videos listing the best types of webcams to buy, the best types of microphones to buy, because that fits within my niche. People are nosy and they love to know what products their favorite YouTubers are using on a day-to-day basis. This is great for people like vloggers or people that are creating quite personal style videos. For example, you could do a video on a daily routine, morning routine, fitness workout, and then go ahead and promote the particular products you use within that routine. Or you could do like a desk tour, a room tour, studio tour, and link people to those products that you mentioned in that tour. Following on from nosy people, I like to keep a current list of the technology that I am using to create these videos in the description down below. That way, my viewers don't necessarily have to ask me for my current list of products that I'm using because it's already linked in the description. There are plenty of ways to promote products on YouTube that aren't yours. Amazon Associates just makes it easier for us to share the products that we're trying to promote for a pretty decent commission. If you enjoyed the video, guys, why not hit that subscribe button and leave a like down below. If you are interested in the products that I'm currently using, there is a link in the description down below. I also love to review products, so if you're in store for a new webcam or microphone, click the videos on screen now.